Hi guys, it's Monday, March 30th. Here's some math help for you. When you go in the distance learning folder today, you're going to go to week 2. But I want to point out to you, there is my folder right above it, and that's where I'm keeping these video links to refer to. Okay, so let's open up the week 2 scatter plot. When you're in the week 2 folder, these first 3 things are just really things for teachers. They're the standards and what we are supposed to be teaching you and some things to think about. So I would like you to just kind of skip over that and go right to the Monday agenda. When you open the Monday agenda, there's a couple things for you to do today. You're going to watch Miss Hartman's overview, and you're going to do a discussion post, and you're going to check out something called Dreambox. The videos, her overview and the Dreambox videos should be above here. Right now she just has her Dreambox video in because it's Sunday night, so she's probably doing her overview video as we speak. So let's go to the discussion post, which is right here. And let's see what we're going to discuss today. So your discussion post today is to write about your experience with distant learning so far. Some ideas of questions you can answer. She wants you to at least write 3 sentences. So she wants to know any or all of these things. How do you feel about it? What activities that have we done, or what tasks have we done that help you in math? What activity or tasks are frustrating for you in math? And what is something you wish your teachers would do with the distance learning? Make sure you're writing in complete sentences and keep them appropriate. I would suggest you hold down and copy the prompt so then you can paste it into your discussion post. So if you hold it down and hit copy, then hit the plus button so you can add your discussion post where you can paste in the prompt. Now this is an optional step, but it helps you so you don't have to go back and forth. Then when you open up your discussion post, select paste and the prompt will paste right in there. And then you can start typing right below it, so you can keep looking back at some of her suggestions so you know what you're writing about. Remember complete sentences and, keep it appropriate. And think about math. What are some of the activities that have been helpful that we've done last week? We did Desmos. We did the Alex assignment, we did the robot and the cat Desmos, and we did the Nearpod. So, we just kind of want to know which of these is frustrating or which of these are helpful or easy enough for you to navigate by yourself. I especially liked that cat Desmos. Okay, so you watch her overview, you do your discussion post, and now we're going to check out Dreambox. So you can watch her overview, and I'll also show you what Dreambox looks like. To get to Dreambox, you go through Clever. And when you log in through Google, you won't need a username or password for Dreambox. So it's a lowercase letter D. I had to scroll all the way down to the bottom of my Clever. I don't know where it will pop up for you, but it's a lowercase d and it says Dreambox. Now it should look something like this. You should have a bunch of tiles. These are your lessons. So some things we've already done this year are transformations. We've done rotations, reflections, dilations. We have done powers of 10, and of course we've done equations, tables, and lines. We've done rate of change, and we've done some intercepts. We've not done quadratic expressions or arrays. So depending on, this is your choice, what you want to navigate through. We're asking you just to explore. It's supposed to be like a video game sort of format. And we're just kind of seeing, if kids like this better than Alex, or should we stick with Alex? So go ahead and choose a tile. I'm going to show you the reflection tile. Oh, now the weekly goal would be to learn 5 lessons. This week, we want you to just try 3 at least if you can. Okay, here's a sample of what the reflections one looks like, and I wanted you to know that there's audio that you could listen to the question, and it'll tell you what to do. So, and you're going to use the tools here to kind of rotate, or I'm sorry, you're going to reflect the fencing here to save the animals. And then this question mark could help you if you just want to play around and try. It should come in and help you if you're not doing it correctly. If you get frustrated or you want to try something else, go back right here to my lessons, and that'll take you back to the other tiles. So then you can choose where you want to go next. So that was a little look at reflections. So the goal again is try to look at 3 topics. Just 3 for this week. Okay, so that's today. Watch Miss Hartman's overview, complete the discussion post, and try to explore some Dreambox. I think tomorrow we'll be looking at the Alex assignment and some other things. Our focus this week will still be scatter plots.